Hello everyone, welcome to Cadd Nest. In this video I am explaining about windows. So in standard primitive list we'll get the option that is windows. Select here. Here we have 6 type of windows. First we'll go by one. First one is evening. Select this and draw. First is width and depth, then height. In this concept we have to draw. Then if you want some standard dimension, then you can edit here. So height as some 4 feet, then width as some 5 feet, then depth as some 2 inches. Okay. So now frame details will be as well standard, no need to change. And glazing, railings, this is also same. Then here we have panel count option, means number of panels we can increase here, increase and decrease of panel count. Then open window. So open means you can, if you have single panel means you will get the single opening. If you have treble means you will increase the opening of panels also. This is about first method. Then second one, casement. So here I have adjusted the parameter dimensions. Then here it is a casement window, means here we have the opening like horizontally. Then here we can change the casement panels like 1 and 2 only. In before window we have number of entries, but here we have just 1 or 2 options. So you'll get like this, 1 or 2 options. Then flip swing means direction of openings will be changed here. Then third one, fixed. So this is the parameter dimensions. Next, here if it is fixed window, then open close axis will not be there. So just we can design this window like increasing the panels, horizontal and vertical. So these frames we can use as a frames, and these portions are facing as a glass parts. So if you activate the chamfered profile means you will get the chamfered edges at the frames. Then pivoted window. Pivoted means here we'll get like opening like revolving type. We'll get the opening like a revolving type. Then here we can activate vertical rotation, means rotation will change. Then no need to change other things. Then last second, projected. So here we have like this, opening will be like this. Here we can increase the middle height, bottom height like that if we want. The last one, sliding. So like sliding type we have. Here if we have hung option, if you off this then you will get the vertical wise. This is about windows modification in the 3ds Max. Other than this, if you want some extra design of doors, we can design, or importing option also there. Thanks for watching this video. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you.